you guys got to be patient with this one right here. SOFI, today it's up over 2%. Well, by the time you're seeing this video, it was yesterday. Closed at 7:45, up in after hours a little bit. But SOFI recently did a convertible note, which I'm going to talk about in this video today. And I've also made updates for you guys talking about Fibonacci and really points that we need to hold, which go to my other videos if you want to see that. I'm still staying here with my $14 to $15 SOFI price target. The last time I bought SOFI was at $7.36. Let's get right into this video, guys. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, let me know what you're doing with SOFI stock. And also subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I make a lot of stock and crypto related content, and I make it short and sweet. This is not going to be a long video. None of my videos are long. It just gives you the basics to start to understand what might be some good stocks or crypto to start looking into. Of course, it's not financial advice to tell you to buy or sell any stocks or crypto out there, just my own opinion. Let's talk about this real quick though. You can see this is on a monthly chart. This was when the convertible note was announced. SOFI completely fell off the cliff, made a low right here, made a new low over here, and now we're making higher highs, which is really good. I think this is happening because it also lines up with points of resistance and trend lines that I showed you all. This is what was stated March 21st. SOFI CEO explains convertible deal offering. We did this deal from a position of strength. He was on an interview with Jim Cramer, and he was talking about this. He said, we did this deal from a position of strength. Noto said, what we saw was an opportunity from that position of strength to lower our cost of debt. Let's go over this real quick. The company announced in early March it planned to raise $750 million by issuing convertible senior notes. In the same announcement, SOFI also said it entered into agreements with certain holders of existing convertible notes to exchange them for shares. Now, obviously, the stock dropped 26% year to date. Okay. The company reached GAAP profitability for the first time during the fourth quarter of 2023. So this is probably, and I think he says it right here, that's why they did it, which is very positive. I've said repeatedly that SOFI reminds me of Palantir when it was at $7, $8, $9, and then Palantir became profitable on that earnings report, and then it ran all the way to $21, $22. So SOFI, $14, $15, definitely doable, just be my own opinion. We saw it as an opportunity to do it and have an impact on GAAP earnings, and also combined with buyback, have it on accretive to tangible book value per share of 8 to 10%. Notice that the reason why we did it is really important because I think it's what puts some momentum back into the stock. So they're buying it back too. So guys, this is all short-term pain. Right now trading at $7.48 in after hours. This thing is going to go much higher this year. Just be my own opinion. You have to understand how to hold and how not to sell on red days, but to add more to your position if you're convicted in the company. SOFI being profitable and explaining why they did what they did. The CEO is very vocal. The CEO himself has bought in shares of the company. I mean, this is all positive signs for me. So I'm holding SOFI. I'm not selling anytime soon. And I hope we go to the freaking moon. But first, let's get to $14, $15 because that would be a solid return for most of us. Appreciate you all. Drop a like, share the video, and we'll see you on the next one.